Hi everybody. I am just logging into my TurboTax. I got my mortgage statement, so I wanted to log in the information. Um, I like to do this as I get my statements and everything. Um, then I keep track, and Turbo will also keep track of it. And it's really easy. I really like TurboTax. Um, this year we're filing. Everybody can start filing their completed returns February 15th, but you can start working on them and you can even turn them in before then if you want to. They just won't start working or checking your taxes until afterwards. Um, I like to do my taxes early because um, if I'm getting a refund, especially, I like to get that money quick. And if you do it sooner rather than later, it won't take that much time. And also, if you enter your bank information on your form, it will be direct deposit and it's a lot faster that way, usually about, I'd say 10 to 15 days, which is really quick. So I'm just going to check here. Let's see. Okay. The nice thing is that the computer will remember your information from last year. So if your mortgage provider didn't change, it's already there. And then you're just going to start putting in whatever is on your 1098. And they just prompt you. And I've been using this for quite some time now, and I really like it. Um, so this year is different because I took out a CARES Act loan. But I am planning to pay it off. I guess, like, let's just say you got 60,000 out, you can pay it back to your 403 or 401k over 3 years. So you could do like 20,000 a year, and you can report 20,000 of it as income. So then you won't be taxed so much because the 60,000. Uh, if you put down 60,000, you're going to be taxed like 14,000. So just put down a third, and also if you don't need it, I mean, I took it out just in case it's an emergency. If you don't need it, you can start putting it back into your 403b or 401k. So anyways, I would talk to your tax person or attorney or your public accountant, so they can kind of inform you on how to do that. And right now, I wouldn't I mean, I would start entering things if you're working with TurboTax, but I wouldn't try to finish it up because they are still working on trying to figure out all those things. TurboTax and the government, actually, the IRS is still working on the tools that we need to be able to claim everything on our taxes the right way, so we get the right amount and we don't overpay taxes. Don't want to do that. So I'm just going to go through this. Okay. And basically, it prompts you. It'll ask on your 1098 statement, and it says mortgage interest statement. Box one, it asks you for your mortgage interest. So you just go to box one and you type it in where it says box one here. And then box two, you're going to type in your outstanding mortgage principal, and that's also here on your 1098. Um, then your mortgage origination date, which is box three, and that's also on, you can look it, so it corresponds just like any other taxes. Um, and property taxes, and if you pay mortgage insurance premiums, basically that's like you put down like maybe 15%, and you need to have special mortgage insurance until you're able to get that 20%, and then that could be taken off. But it's kind of insurance just in case you can't pay your mortgage. Let's see. I didn't pay any points. That's box six. And I didn't get any refund of overpaid interest. That's four. Five is mortgage insurance. And so that's about the basic questions. What you're going to do is you're going to round up or round down. You don't want to put the cents in. So like mine has leftover 64 cents. So I'm going to round it up to like instead of 61 to 62. And then my other one, let's just say I have $73.15. I'm going to round down because it's less than 50 um, to seven and keep it 73. So that's how you do it. It's basic math. Um, and I'm going to enter these just to double check, and everything looks really good. And as I get the statements, I just plug it in and start, just get it taken care of. It takes like 2 minutes. So then you're not overwhelmed with everything like at the last minute. And yeah, if you feel like you're having like some tax problems or anything like that, you should contact a tax attorney or a certified public accountant. TurboTax also has special different premium services where you can actually talk to a tax person over the phone or Zoom, and you can ask questions and they can help you and they can even do your taxes for you. Um, well, anyways, it was nice talking to you guys. Have a nice day.